Hey guys, Justin here with JKS Manufacturing, talking control arms today, more importantly talking J-Link control arms. So as you know, on your Jeep JL, JT, TJ, any coil sprung Jeep, control arm replacement is never a thing to overlook, right? We always want to add more beef, more adjustability, fine tune that geometry. Got this JL unit here. Nothing wrong with it if you leave your Jeep stock and do some mild off-roading, it's fairly strong. But when we get into a situation where we've added ride height, we need to correct geometry, the length of the arm needs to change. And if you're gonna go ahead and change the length, you might as well add some beef. So at JKS, we go to this big 2-inch 250 wall swedged end arm called the J-Link. This is a used and abused unit here. We run that OE rubber bushing, and that's so important to the conversation we're about to have here. So that OE rubber bushing is going to provide the ride and drive quality that, you know, Jeep designed into your Jeep, and we accentuated with our J-Spec lift kit. So when we talk dual rate springs and shock tuning and all those things, that control arm bushing is doing a whole lot more than you might have thought. We've got two rigid links. We've got the axle and we've got the frame mount. Both are rigid. If you put a rigid joint between those two, you're going to transfer all that harshness from the trail or the road right into your seat. That's not the goal with that. You know, we want to make things ride and drive better. Traditionally, when we've had an adjustable control arm, you know, like our J-Flex arms, you've ended up with some sort of flex joint. These are fantastic. They're greasable, they're rebuildable, they're serviceable. The issue with these is, as with everything, building your Jeep, building your off-road rig, it's a compromise. If it wasn't a compromise, we'd all be driving Ultra 4 Jeeps to work every day, getting 3 miles to the gallon. The reality is, it is a compromise. So in the JKS style of things, of selling you the product based on the way you use your Jeep, we are excited to announce the J-Link adjustable control arm. We've got a rubber bushing at both ends, a forged end for your adjustment, and a jam nut. Basically all the strength, all the adjustability as our extremely popular J-Flex arm, but we're keeping that rubber bushing at both ends. We have all the ride quality, everything we want out of your Jeep with no compromise whatsoever. To find out more about these arms, check them out at jksmfg.com. And of course, as always, on our socials, JKS on Facebook, JKS on Instagram. Thanks for following along.